Holy crap.
Coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Intercoastal City.
Reports tornado in Calcasieu Parish. Oh shoot.
Until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's not in my parish though. That's in
At
Acadia.
5:26 p.m. Central
Mine is
Daylight
Acadia.
Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near High Island 52 to 6 nautical miles north of High Island A61, moving east at 60 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 45, West Cameron 48, West Cameron 149, High Islands 22, High Island 199, West Cameron 198, High Island A177, West Cameron 110, High Island 110, West Cameron 196, West Cameron 192, High Island 116, West Cameron 73, West Cameron 71, High Island 170, Vermilion 22, West Cameron 167, West Cameron 168, High Island 167, and West Cameron 165. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.